In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Nissan Murano located at the base of the windshield. I'm going to start on the driver's side. I'm going to lift up the wiper arm. Now on this particular model, there's a little cap on this style wiper blade. We're going to use our pocket screwdriver and we're going to get right in here and we're going to lift this up, releasing that. I'm going to grab the wiper blade and pull it down towards the windshield, unhooking it. This is what we call a J-hook. Now, this will normally stay in upward position. It has a spring tension on it, but if you bump this, it'll snap down and break your windshield. What I like to do is gently rest that down while we go ahead and prepare the new wiper blade. Before installing the new wiper blades, it's always a good time to go ahead and clean the glass right here. Now, you don't have to do this process, but it will make for a fresh start with those wiper blades, and you don't want to get debris or anything on those new blades and start streaking right from the get-go. So go ahead and clean that glass and get everything prepared. Now on the new style replacement blade, it has an attachment already built into it. I'm going to simply lift this up, put that J-hook into it, slide that up and in, push it up, and you're going to feel it. It should lock in. There it is. Give it a little tug back, make sure it doesn't pop off. You're pretty solid. And then don't forget, I want to go ahead and slide off the protector. There it is. If you leave this on, it's going to leave a mess when you go to clean the glass. And go ahead and lower that down. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.